Yo guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering ICP, but before I do, I'd appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So guys, what is ICP, otherwise known as Internet Computer? So the Internet Computer is the world's first blockchain that runs at speed with unbounded capacity. It also represents the third major blockchain innovation alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. A blockchain computer that scales smart contract computation and data, runs them at web speed, processes and stores data efficiently, and provides powerful software frameworks to developers. Using the Internet Computer, developers can create websites, enterprise IT systems, and internet services by installing their code directly on the public internet and dispense with server computers and commercial cloud services. So guys, jumping straight onto CoinMarket, as you guys can see, they are just shy of that top 10 position. They are ranked 11th. So I will be going over the website today. As you guys can see, the current price is just under $105. So it is up actually 0.75 over the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, the current market cap is just over 13 billion and the circulating volume is just over 165 million. So just going over the chart quickly, as you guys can see, it did have that surge all the way past that $600 mark and then do a massive dip over 50% and went back up, and now it is going back down all the way back down to the $104. In terms of where you guys can buy it, as you guys can see, best place being on Binance, but you go ahead and check out these other exchanges. So guys, I've just jumped onto the DFINITY Foundation website. So what DFINITY Foundation is a not-for-profit scientific research organization. The foundation's mission is to build, promote and maintain the internet computer. So how does the internet computer make a public internet better? So the internet computer makes the world better by providing solutions to the critical problems facing tech today. Many of these critical problems arise from issues with the current structure of the public internet. So guys, this is the website at the moment. As you guys can see, the internet computer, the world's first frictionless blockchain with web speed and internet scale. You go ahead and check out what these guys are doing as well. As you guys can see, build tokenized mass market social media services exclusive from smart contracts. So you go ahead and check out the team as well in terms of all the upcoming news as well. To the white paper on the website, as you guys can see here, just a quick stuff I just picked out. So as an application developer, you might find it useful to think of internet computer as providing a following key elements: an open communication protocol that enables general purpose computations to run transparently directly on the internet, a network that runs the protocol to provide computing capacity, for example the hardware, CPU and memory required to run programs through independent data centers, and globally accessible and scalable blockchain platform for running software applications. So just some key bits in terms of what internet computer does. I found this article on CoinSpeaker that says ICP price slightly up now, internet computer and Ethereum announces network integration. So this is pretty big news in terms of these two guys are doing stuff together. So internet computer anticipates providing solutions to scaling challenges experienced by Ethereum while maintaining decentralization and security. Guys, go ahead and check out this whole article, but I will read some bits of it. So DFINITY's internet computer announces integration with Ethereum ecosystem. According to Dominic Williams, the founder of DFINITY Foundation, in a tweet, the internet computer and Ethereum will be integrated to utilize novel chain key cryptography and their integrated smart contracts. So you go ahead and check out what these guys are doing in terms of what sort of Ethereum, you guys can see what they're trying to maintain in terms of what these guys want to do. So it's pretty good that this integration is going to be happening for both sort of parties as well. So go ahead and check out this. Just before I jump onto my own chart analysis in terms of price prediction, I've just pulled up this article that I found on Cointelegraph in terms of their prediction. So ICP USD, so as you guys can see, after the initial slide, internet computer has been consolidating in a tight range for the past few days. This suggests indecision amongst the bulls and the bears about the next direction of move. So they did put out a Fibonacci, they didn't really put out any zones or any levels, so they did put out a fib. So if the uncertainty resolves to the downside and the bears sink the price below $103, the ICP USD pair could retest the all-time low around $86 and break below this level, could resume the downtrend with the next target at $60. Conversely, if the bulls propel the price above $168, the pair may rally to $186, then to $222, and break above the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at $243, but could signal the downtrend could be over. So they are basing this just purely off this Fibonacci, which is quite a strong theory in terms of what it is. And so far, looking at the charts myself, this could be true in terms of what it could be played out. So what guys I'm going to do is jump over to my chart analysis. So guys, this is what everyone's been waiting for as usual. So this is my own price analysis chart of what I think the price prediction could be. So I did just take a screen grab of the chart just to show you more of the insight of what it is. So as you guys can see, it did have that all-time high around $630. I hope no one bought it at the high, as you guys can see, of this launch. It just went straight up from around that $260 mark. It went all the way up. So I hope no one bought this thinking that these guys will say it's going to go to 1,000, it's going to go to the moon, blah blah. So hopefully no one bought there and got burnt completely. So obviously that's the all-time high. It has this sort of support level here, and turning into resistance over here around that $260 mark where it did launch. As I said, it did actually retest the zone over here, but failed to actually, you know, keep above it. As you guys can see, it did break, caused that resistance, and then broke all the way down, and it did retouch this trend line that it did create over here. It did touch it once, twice, and then it did actually break, and it doesn't seem like it's going to be breaking it further. It did actually completely break. Now it might actually retest this low over here. As you guys can see, the low was around the $88 mark, so it might actually retest this. Hopefully, if it does maintain this support over the $88, it will go back up. If not, it might actually have a further downside, as you guys saw before that did show you in the price analysis chart. It might go down, dip to around that $60 mark before creating some support and then going back up towards the all-time high around $630. But in terms of upcoming news, so that's what I think in terms of the price analysis. So in terms of what I think is either gonna retest this trend line again, retest it, and then go back up towards that $260 mark, as I guys told you, that is a very strong level of support and resistance. And then if it does maintain that level, it will go past this into that $364 mark, and then past that towards the all-time high. So guys, this is my price analysis. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. And with that being said, I'll catch you in tomorrow's video.